Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel where I bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about USDT.Z coin. This is a fully reserved baked digital asset designed to bring stability, transparency and trust to the financial ecosystem. So here we are to the website of the project. Let me tell you that this is not just another token, it is a complete payment revolution powered by innovation and real utility. USDT.Z is pegged 1 to 1 with BEP20 USDT and BNB backed by 100% reserves. So as we can see, we are on the website of the project. We are going to know more about the project, about their ICO, aspect, etc. So let's talk and have a look at the ICO phase of USDT.Z. This is where early spotters and investors can participate in the project. As you can see, the platform shows the total pledged amount and the funding goal, ensuring full transparency in the fundraising process. USDT.Z is structured in multiple tiers where each tier represents a different token price. For example, in early tiers, tokens are available at a lower price, while in later tiers, the price increase giving early investors a clear advantage. This tier-based system not only rewards early participation but also builds strong momentum for the project. And then transparent, 100% backed and stable. This is our pledged 1 to 1 with matching flat currency and are backed 100% by Tether's reserve. And then popularity, widespread adoption from being the first to the most used stablecoin and one of the most traded token by volume. Tether tokens have come a long way. Tether tokens are today the most widely adopted stablecoin across major exchanges. And then here we are redirected to the white paper to know more about the project, that what exactly it is. So here we have VN, which is world first 100% fully decentralized secure cryptocurrency. And then introduction of the project. It aims to make decentralized finance completely secure and to provide more secure payment system to multinational companies and organizations, including investors around the world, allowing them to easily and securely transact digital transactions. And then some of their smart details of smart contract, then the team, and then benefits of using their solution. So token are referred to as a stable coin because they offer price stability as they are pegged to the fiat. Small business, medium business, large business, corporations, exchanges, merchants, etc. And then roadmap to success. Here we have the roadmap to know more about the project, and what they have planned for their future and what is the future planning of the project. So you can see we have the contact address of BB20. So you can check the contact address, then their name, symbol, etc. And then some of the team partners, their advisors, their founder, CEO, co-founder, etc. So here we are related to the Twitter link, so you have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more about the project, to know the recent tweets, recent details of the project, and stay in touch with the team. You have to simply follow them on Telegram as well, and you can join the Telegram group to know more about the project and stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. So it's better to join the social channels as well. Okay guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. Let me clear once again that it's not my financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So please do your own research, take your time, check the project by yourself, and then you'll be able to invest in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notifications bell. Thank you so much for watching.